Top 5 Incredible Records in Nature. Number 5, Tallest Tree. Hyperion, a redwood in California, is 379 feet tall. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. Number 4, Largest Animal. The blue whale can weigh 200 tons and reach 100 feet long. Biggest animal to ever live on Earth. Number 3, Longest Migration. The Arctic tern travels 44,000 miles every year between poles. Ultimate jet setter of the animal kingdom. Number 2, Deepest point in the ocean. The Mariana Trench reaches 36,000 feet. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Number 1, Hottest temperature recorded on Earth. Death Valley, California hit 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius in 1913. Earth can get seriously extreme. If you enjoyed this, subscribe now, comment which record shocked you the most.